LG OLED 55 inches. Troubleshooting tayo, guys. Not continuous, one blank, just one blank. One blank, uncontinuous open. Tank to protect. Alright, continuous the videos. This is the model number, guys. 55 EG9 A70. One blank, non-continuous open. Made in Korea, 2017 made. Alright, super nipis na siya. OLED na OLED. Alright, at eto na yung laman, guys. Power supply, T-Con mainboard. So hanapin natin kung bakit siya one blank. Alright, left, right side lay down, right side okay, and the left side is bad. Very bad at the left side. Shorted panel left side. See this one? Wala tayong choice. We don't have choice. For at least we know the problem. Even I put a small tape here on the VGH, VGL on the left side. Wait. Dami kasing mga ano rin ibang lahi na nanonood din. So English din pero translate na lang natin, type na lang natin. So nag-cover po tayo dito ng VGL signal. Nawawala naman yung trip niya. Hindi naman siya nag-automatic naman siya na mag-on. Kasi kung wala tong tape method, ito. Naglagay tayo dito, guys, ng tape method. VGL signal. Here. Trial and error. Unlucky. Kahit gaano kalit ng tape dito, wala talaga din. Mas lalo na rito sa kabila. Siyempre, ito yung good signal. Ito yung bad. So dito tayo nag-focus sa left side. Nag-trial tayo ng maliliit. Sabi ko nga maliliit. Left and right. No, left. Nag-try tayo ng VGL, VGH. Covering by tape. So, unlucky. Dito tayo nag-tape. So, nag-decide tayo na lakihan, na mas malaki. So, wala talagang choice kundi shorted yung panel. This tape, very, very long. Even I put small here. In here. Oh, there. Wala ho talaga. No. So, meaning this panel 100% shorted in this area. So, protected one blank only. So, nag-trial and error na rin tayo guys about pala dito sa TV natin. Ito yung original na T-convert nya. Ito. One blank. Any tape method, no effect. No, hindi siya nagbubukas. Any tape method here, only one blank. This is the original. And this is the T-con. Different T-con. This is the T-con number. I testing. PN. This one. PN 68. Yeah, it's very hot. I think need a heatsink later. I put heatsink later. I put this one. And this heatsink. So, yun nga guys. Nag-trial and error din tayo, no? Kasi nga, para make it sure. Ito yung original. So, ito yung gumana na. 68, PN68. And PN6870C. And I replace PN68. Not clear, I don't know. But this guy is working. So I don't know. I don't know guys. I don't know why also. This trial and error. Hindi naman tayo magaling. Marunong tayo mag-trial and error. So, nag-replace na rin tayo guys ng to make sure kung may voltage problem man. Nag-replace na rin tayo ng new what do you call this one? New power supply. This old power supply. Is original T-con board. No, main board. Nag-replace na rin tayo ng sa main board. Same problem. I replaced already. I put already this one. Yan. Pasensya na sa mga Pilipino, sinasalihan ko ng English kasi may nanonood nga na ibang lahi din. So, pasensya na. Nakakapagod kasi minsan mag-translate, mag-type, mag-subtitle. So, ayun, one blank. Lesson learn guys. Meron tayong lesson learn. Si one blank nga, nagpo-protect siya. Nagpo-protect yung panel. Hindi siya makabukas. He cannot open because it has shorted on the panel. On the left side, pag nakataob. Ang hirap mag-translate. Nakataob left side, may shorted, so it cannot be open. Shorted, so tape method again. We trying trial and error tape method. First of all, we searching the BGL supply here. We found out that there is a supply. BGL on the other side. So I'm trying to cancel every signal. That is my trial and error. BGH, BGL, left and right. So I try in the right, not work, and I'm trying the left side, it's working. So but the panel is, it has a damage, so we don't have a choice. But at least we know what's the problem now. It's we know how to troubleshooting the OLED television. So we're trying later, guys. See, clear on the right side, but on the left side it's very clear on the right side, and the left side it has a damage, shorted panel. So mag-trial pa rin tayo mga sir, mag-trial pa rin tayo dito, troubleshooting, try natin. So see you mamaya. Pause muna ulit. Okay, so binalik na natin sir yung ano niya, no, original board. This original Ticon board, andito pa rin yung tape method natin. Original now sa 55 PN68 pang 55 inches. Of course, ito na yung pinang trial and error natin. It's only a trial and error. So original main board sa substitution power supply. So we try ibalik yung original na power supply nya dahil good display now. And guys, okay naman yung display nya, malinaw. That's a good display. Oh, pinatay ko. Guys, pinatay ko, tapos para makita nyo rin na maganda yan po. Ayan, that's original mainboard. So ito na yung tama nya, natakip na kasi. Cover up the shorted panel via tape method. So babalik ko na rin yung power supply nya kasi nakita na natin yung sira nya kung i-shorted nya, kung bakit siya nag one blank. Alright, so here we go mga sir. Upon trial and error, na-prove natin na yung power supply nya is good, Ticon is good, and mainboard is good. Kaya pala siya nag-one blank mga guys, kasi nga nagpo-protect siya. And then yung iba pala guys, yung OLED, yan lang din tayo makakano kasi nito guys. So sa hindi pa po nakahawak, sa mga baguhan din na tulad ko ng OLED, yung one blank po is to protect. Yun pala yun sa kanya. Katulad na pala siya sa Sony na may blinking code na protection code o blinking code, basta blinking code. Pag ni-remove mo to guys, yung bawat Ticon nitong bawat isa, kahit dyan saan lang mo dyan makahang dyan sa kanila, kahit saan po, dalawa man ihang nyo, isa, dalawa, tatlo, or apat, wala po talaga ang display. Magpo-protect siya na magpo-protect kasi nagpag-communicate siya rito sa panel board. Nasi-sense na yung panel board. So nasi-sense niya na shorted yung left side. So one blank lang ginagawa niya. Maririnig po natin yung relay niya na pumipitik. One blank, syempre isang pitik lang kasi nga one blank. So alright guys, nakita na natin yung sira niya. Gumagana na nga siya, literal na gumagana kasi nga nakita na natin kung saan ma-shorted. So sit by my